Hello dear viewers. Intermittent fasting is becoming very popular in these years, but is it really as good as it sounds? In today's video, we are going to be exploring the pros and cons of intermittent fasting. So if you are curious about whether intermittent fasting is good or bad, then these points will help you judge on your own. Before we start, please subscribe our channel to stay in touch with us. First of all, let's talk about intermittent fasting. What actually it is. It's a method of eating where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. There are different ways to do this, but the most popular ones are 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during these 8 hours. So what are the benefits of intermittent fasting? First, it helps in weight loss by reducing the number of calories you consume and increase the number of calories you burn by restricting your eating window. You give your body time to burn the stored fat energy, which can lead to significant weight loss over the time. Second, it promotes the cellular repair. Fasting triggers a process called as autophagy, where your body breaks down and recycles old or damaged cell, leading to improved cellular health and longevity. Third, it helps control blood sugar. Intermittent fasting can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower your blood sugar, which is beneficial for people from type 2 diabetes or those at risk for it. By reducing the amount of time your body spends processing food, you give your pancreas a break and allow it to produce insulin more efficiently. Of course, there are also some potential downsides to intermittent fasting. At first, intermittent fasting can be difficult to stick to, and you might experience hunger, irritability, or fatigue during the fasting period. This can make it challenging to maintain your diet, especially when you have a busy and difficult lifestyle. Remember that intermittent dieting benefits only last as long as you practice. When you discontinue this regime, however, you may regain and revert to your previous state. Please press the like button if we deserve. Thank you. Second, risk of nutrient deficiency. If you are not careful, intermittent fasting can lead to nutrient deficiency, especially when you are not eating a balanced diet during the eating period. This can lead to problems like fatigue, weakness, and a weakened immune system. It's important to make sure you are getting enough protein, again vitamins and minerals, during the eating period to avoid these issues. Third, risk of binge eating. Some people may feel so hungry during the fasting period that they end up overeating during the eating period, leading to binge eating behavior. This can sabotage the weight loss goals and lead to a cycle of overeating and restriction. Fourth, disrupts social life. Intermittent fasting can be challenging and disrupt your social life. If you enjoy eating out or socialize around food, this will lead to a feeling of isolation and resentment, which can make it difficult to stick to diet over time. Fifth, not suitable for athletes. Athletes are such people who are engaging themselves in more physical activities, may find it difficult to fuel their body adequately during the fasting period, which can impact performance and recovery. This can lead to decreased strength, endurance, and overall athletic performance. Intermittent fasting can be a helpful tool for a weight loss, improving metabolic health and simplifying your eating habits. However, it's important to listen to your body and take care of yourself while practicing intermittent fasting. Don't push yourself too hard and don't practice fasting for a long period of time without seeking guidance from a healthcare professional. Just keep in mind that the advantage of intermittent dieting only lasts as long as you continue to follow them. But if you quit following this diet plan, you could start gaining weight once again. Remember, there is no fixed approach to diet and lifestyle. It can vary from person to person. So if you are considering intermittent fasting, do listen to your body. This is all for today. If you like it, then share it with your family members. Till the next video, take care and stay healthy.